Ever heard of pulse electromagnetic field therapy? I'm Dr. Barrett. I'm a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills. I actually use things like this to help my patients recover from surgical procedures. There's actually a significant amount of evidence that shows that pulse electromagnetic fields can help heal fracture sites. And there's also some studies that says it helps heal soreness and joint pain. We use it in our patients to heal them after surgery. We put it underneath the mat, and when they sit down and they lie on it while we're taking out sutures and everything else, we give them a free 15-minute session where it helps kind of stimulate the healing process and decrease some of the inflammation in their body. If you think about how magnetic fields work, when you circulate blood through your body, your heart pumps, right? If you think that your heart pumps the blood all the way through by the hydrostatic forces of the heart alone, you're incorrect. When those blood vessels get very small, it's a magnetic field that actually transports those fluids and those nutrients to the capillary level. So our bodies are very in tune to magnetic fields around us, and using certain frequencies can actually help the body heal and distribute nutrients more efficiently. I use these mats when I go to bed at nighttime because they help me relax, and I also put my kids on them too when I'm reading a book to help them settle down and get closer to sleep. I also use them to help me recover after exercise and other activities, and it also helps with wound healing, especially for our patients. So if you're interested in getting learning more information, do your research online. There's a ton of different products. I have the Centropix Cloud Plus, but there are definitely other different types of brands that are out there that you can use. They are a little bit pricey, but do your research on the brands that you're interested in to see if it might work for you.